Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to create a recurring invoice. Repeat the same invoice monthly for the customer. Select the recurring date according to your requirement. You can only make recurring invoices for credit sale invoices. How to create a new recurring invoice. To begin, head to Invoice under the Sales tab and choose the invoice that you want to repeat. Click on Recurring icon. Enter the necessary details, including the recurring date and end date. Now to save the invoice, click on Save. Your recurring invoice is saved successfully. How to print a recurring invoice. Now to print the invoice, go to Recurring Invoice and choose the invoice that you want to print. Click on Print icon. Choose your printer and click on Print. How to delete a recurring invoice. And now to delete the invoice, go to Recurring Invoice and choose the invoice that you want to delete. Click on the Delete icon. And you are done. Thank you for watching.